St. Joseph here in Mandawi City, Cebu. Ayan, so prosesyon kasi ngayon na Esperas Fiesta. Papunta ito sa simbahan. Itong Santos, dadalhin ito sa simbahan ngayong hapon. Kuan ba ni preparation pa ni? Gabi after mass last
Ikan is balay sa
sa kanang
iya.
Sila di ka sponsor bisa.
Raan nga iba. More than
Ila po ni karo.
Oh, ilang.
Devoted niya. So ito yung araw ngayon, May 7, 2024, ang pagdating ni St. Joseph papunta dito sa loob ng simbahan sa Desperas Fiesta, Mandawi City.
Dr. Edna Arseno, Miss Maria Socorro R. Sanchez, Mrs. Felisa S. Herolaga and family, Mrs. May Estopa and family, Mrs. Virginia Fideliaga and family, Mrs. Annie Julia and family, Miss Flora A. Besons and family, Mrs. Edna Rivera and family, Mrs. Feli Sanchez and family, Mrs. Edna Cabilo and family, Mr. and Mrs. Jovelito Apor, Engineer and Mrs. Mario S. Herolaga and family, Mr. and Mrs. Orlando Tagboy and family, Mr. Melcher Diotay, Mr. and Mrs. Eddie and Evelyn Sanchez and family, Mr. and Mrs. Nelson and Myra Rule and family, Mr. Jeffrey and Honorable Trinidad Katarik and family, Architect and Mrs. Antonio Seniagan, Mr. and Mrs. Victor Ang and family, Mr. and Mrs. Nigel Aquino and family, Mr. and Mrs. Botchok Bering and family, Mr. and Mrs. Edwin A. Erbach and family, Mr. and Mrs. Steve Lowe and family, Mr. and Mrs. Rodolfo V. Oano and family, Mr. and Mrs. Danilo Pederos and family, Mr. and Mrs. Francisco Ibanez and family, Mr. and Mrs. Janet Pongos and family, Mr. Orlando Diola and family, Honorable and Mrs. Stanislao G. Sanchez and family, Mr. and Mrs. Roberto Sembrano and family, Mr. and Mrs. David June and Sweet Pardilio and family, Norma O. Gabonada and family, heirs of Maximiana Seno, Mavenco officers, staff, and members, La Chef Merchandise, Mandawi Public Market Vendors Association, Acapulco Salon and Barbershop, Mr. and Mrs. Paterno Acapulco and family, Mr. Gilbert Jola and family, Mr. and Mrs. Arlene Cainia and family, heirs of Petronila C. Yaon, Nicanor Pakibot and family, Mr. and Mrs. Marcel Basubas and family,